Alright, today is the first day of youth turkey season. I'm headed to go pick up Danielle. We're going to go up in this one field. I seen them fly up in the tree last night, so hopefully we get one. I'm going to let her do a lot of the talking since it's her hunt. So I'm going to film her talking and do the recovery if we get one and stuff like that. Let her do most of it. So hopefully we get one. I feel pretty good. We saw him fly up in the tree, so we're hopefully he comes right down, but he's got two hens with him. So as long as they don't lead us away or lead them away, we'll be in business. So wish us luck.
Hi, this morning it's about 5:15 a.m. We're going on a youth turkey hunt today. We saw them fly up into their roost last night, so we have a pretty good idea of where to go.
So you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited. I feel like we'll be luckier than last year.
You got him!
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah!
Oh, that's great!
What do you think?
Oh, that was fun.
Oh, yeah! Congrats!
Thank you. We didn't continue the streak from last year.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Nice.
Oh, are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, you want to call your dad?
Sure. At least we don't have to eat the liver this time.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good shot.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, look at that beard. You destroyed his head. That was good. Look at that. That's a good bird.
That is.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you got to say?
Oh, it was fun.
Nice, Sissy, nice.
You've been waiting for this.
Ja, papa had nog niet eens ingeschiet, nee. You got it, Sissy.
Hi, my name is Danielle Snyman, and this is my first time shooting a turkey. We tried last year, but this was the first time I got to pull the trigger.
So what did you think about the hunt? Was it worth it?
Yes, it was definitely worth it.
Oh,
Nice,
he's
Sissy.
nice big beard and everything.